Hello everyone, here AI Tech is back with another informative artificial intelligence video. So in this video, we are going to learn free AI generated video. So let's come to the screen. Open Google tab and type in video AI. Open the first link and sign up your account. If you don't have much time to write instructions here, I have a solution for you. Open Chatgpt and write "Give me a topic and detailed instructions in accordance to the video which you want to generate." Copy the whole Chatgpt data and paste it on the videos column. Click on the generate option and your video will be generated. If you want to edit your video, here is the prompt option. If you don't like the video, you can also regenerate your video.
In the beginning, artificial intelligence was but a concept, a theoretical proposition of machines mimicking human intelligence. Today, it's a reality, permeating various sectors from finance to entertainment and notably health.
So, if you like the video, comment below and don't forget to subscribe to AI Tech for more amazing artificial intelligence tools videos. Thanks for watching.